Hi peeps! We're going to open Pokemon Korean version trading cards. So here's the first. So this is the pink cat, the balbunin cat, the daming dede cat, pikitang, donut dog, screamo, emo, sad dog, and then the salbabida dog. Ito naman si Rabbit Man. Si Meow, that's wrong, Cabbage Girl or Cabbage Man. Ito si Dig Trio, ang patatas, at ito ay si Bullpix. Yan. Then another is si Balloon, ang ingidnap ng mga bata. Yan. Yan. Ito naman ay Gulaman. Yan. Ito ay si Kotonton. Ito si Flowerina Ballerina. Yan. Ito ay yung teacup of Joe.